Good morning, friends. You see, any activity that you perform on a near daily basis as a part of your routine quickly turns out to becoming your habit. But the question to ask here is, do you really perform that habit because you have to? Or do you really believe it that it is the right thing for you to do it? Let me give you a very simple example of brushing your teeth every day. Do you brush your teeth every day because you have to? Or do you brush your teeth every day because you believe that it is the right thing for you to do so? Big question. Please ask this to yourself. You will get a very genuine answer. Yes, I'm sure you've got it by now. Having said that, I invite you to start majoring into minor things. What a powerful thought. Yes, start majoring into minor things. After all, self mastery is the DNA of life mastery. Even from good old times, that even the Japanese have come up with a concept called Kaizen. Kaizen. Kaizen, which means continuous improvement each time, every time. The wonderful folks, the men, women that I have met who are leading a very successful life have inculcated this habit. As a coach, I preach this habit of starting minor things in a major way. In other words, majoring the minor things. And then you see the difference. The way you will start meditating, the way you start reading the books, spending time with your family. Everything will change the moment you start majoring the minor things. Today, by the way, and this very moment that you and I are sharing is a gift. It's a gift that not all are privileged to receive, because today's morning couldn't be seen by them. You and I can see it. Hence, I truly believe that there has to be a sense of spirit. Joyful, curious, and passionate nature should be a part of you. Passion. Passion is a word you must constantly imbibe inside you, because it is the very fuel required for your growth. A burning sense of passion. And finally, always remember that what lies behind you and what lies in front of you is nothing than what lies within you. Start majoring the minor activities. Have a great day. I'm sure you'll do a great job. All the best.